Hello everyone, I am Sayyad, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. Now come to the point of alternate angles. So in alternate angles, if the angles are on either side of the transversal line, on either side, okay. So suppose that I am making this and this. So if the angles are on either side of the transversal line and both are interior or both are exterior, then those angles are the alternate angles. So here angle 1 and angle 2, these two are the alternate angles. Similarly, if I make this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. So angle 3 and 4 is also a alternate angle. Since all these pair of angles are interior, therefore we can also say these angles are alternate interior angles. For exterior angles I am using a different color. So here this is angle 5 and this angle 6, angle 5 and 6 are also a alternate angle, but these are alternate exterior angles. Similarly 7 and 8, these are also a alternate exterior angle. Okay, so alternate angles. Okay. So angle 1 and angle 4, angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2 are the alternate angles. Then angle 3 and angle 4 are the alternate angles. Similarly, here the angle 5 and angle 6 are the alternate, and angle 7 and angle 8 are the alternate angles. But these angles are alternate interior angles because they are in interior, because these angles are interior, and these angles are exterior angles. So these are exterior angles. Okay, now there are also no relation between them because the lines are not parallel. As we have seen in the corresponding angle, these two lines are not parallel, but here these two lines are parallel, and this transversal line intersects the two parallel lines. Okay, intersect the parallel line. So if the transversal line intersect the parallel line, then there is a relation between the pair of alternate angles. So what is the relation between them? See here, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Okay, so here angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and this is possible only because the transversal line intersect the parallel line. Similarly, these two angles, these two are also alternate, 3 and 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Similarly, for alternate exterior angles, if this is 5 and this angle is 6, so angle 5 is equal to angle 6, and for angle 7 and 8 also. So angle 7 and this is 8, so angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Okay, so all and these angles are equal, and these all alternate pair of angles are equal. Why? Because the transversal line intersect the parallel line. And we can also say vice versa. If these alternate angles are equal, then we can say that these lines, this one and this one, these two lines are the parallel line. Mean if the alternate angles are equal, then the intersecting lines are parallel. Okay, now we have to talk about the co-interior angles. Now we will learn about the co-interior angle. So here the lines is made. So these are the co-interior angle. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So angle 1 and 2, this is 1 and this is 2. So angle 1 and 2 are the co-interior angles. Those are interior and on the same side of the transversal line. Since the transversal line cuts the parallel line, therefore there is a relation between the angle 1 and 2. The relation is angle 1 and angle 2. The sum of angle 1 and 2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so remember that co-interior angles are supplementary. I am repeating again, the co-interior angles are supplementary. That means the sum of pair of co-interior angles is always be 180 degree. This is the one pair, this is the first pair. The second pair of angle is this. This is angle 3 and this is angle 4. So here angle 3 and angle 4, the sum of angle 3 and angle 4 is 180 degree. So these angles are also a co-interior angles, and the co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, there is no concept of co-exterior angles, so don't have a myth that there is a co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles, there is not any type of co-exterior angles, only co-interior angles are present. So these co-interior angles are co-interior angles, and these co-interior angles are angle 1 and angle 2. This is the first pair, and second pair is angle 3 and angle 4. So I hope you will understand. Thank you.